My name is Linda Brown, and on April the 29th, 2009, I was diagnosed with Lyme disease. Like most people, I knew nothing about Lyme disease, even though it's the fastest growing infectious disease in the United States. Since then, though, I have learned about Lyme disease through my own personal research and experience. The first symptom I had was a bullseye rash, and when that didn't go away in a few days, I went online and I Googled for pictures of insect bites, and I found one of a deer tick that carries Lyme bacteria. I didn't have any other symptoms, though, for a few more days, and then I started experiencing severe headache and fatigue. This type of bacteria is difficult to eliminate because it has the ability to hide itself in a cocoon or resist the antibiotics, and it multiplies every 6 weeks. It travels throughout the bloodstream, so it affects every part of the body, especially joints and muscles, and it causes extreme pain. No matter where it was attacking my body, there were two things that remained constant. That was pain and fatigue. Medication could help relieve the pain, but nothing helped with the fatigue. And the fatigue with Lyme disease is significantly worse than what you see in other diseases. There were some days that I couldn't even go out of the house. In fact, probably a third of my life was being spent at home because I was unable to go and do the things that I usually did. My energy was constantly being used to fight the widespread bacteria in my body. My doctor was Lyme literate, and he was prescribing antibiotics to fight the bacteria, and he was open to other supplements to help my body and protect it from the damage that the disease might cause. But he was also open to alternative treatments. I was continually researching and trying to find something else that would help me, supplements or other treatments. And earlier this year, I came across an article about mild hyperbaric therapy for Lyme disease. Then I discovered that there was a chamber in Rome at the Spencer Family Chiropractic. I was attracted to this because it's oxygen, and my body needs oxygen. It fuels the body. It's what supports the immune system. And due to environmental factors, sometimes the oxygen that we're getting in the air we breathe is not sufficient. I realized then that my body needed oxygen. After just the first couple of treatments, I noticed a dramatic difference in my body. The main thing was the fatigue was gone. I had not had anything else that would help relieve the fatigue, but this was helping me to be able to go and do things that I had not been able to do for a long time. Mild hyperbaric therapy was giving me hope for the life that I wanted to live while I'm fighting the disease of Lyme bacteria. It's a pleasant experience for me going into the chamber. I like it because I'm not having to swallow pills or take shots that might have some type of side effects. And I enjoy being in there. It's very peaceful, it's relaxing, and I drift in and out of a restful sleep. The oxygen therapy has also improved my ability to sleep at night. Mild hyperbaric therapy has increased my immune system's ability to fight this Lyme disease and to help alleviate the debilitating fatigue. And while I'm continuing to fight it, I'm able to have a more active life. If you have Lyme disease, please consider mild hyperbaric therapy.